Hi, I'm Pam Hayes from Hayes Sewing Machine Company, and today I'm going to be opening up and showing you some things on the Bernette deco b70. Alright, so let's open up our new machine. Again, the Bernette deco is the model b70, and you're going to notice in the top it's going to have some embroidery hoops, power cord, and different accessories. And let's just move that piece out of the way. And then you're going to notice that the machine is in plastic bag. I'm just going to take that out. You can see nice sleek lines to it. And then it's also going to have the embroidery module. And we'll just put that to the side for a moment. And it also has the soft cover. Alright, this is the top styrofoam portion of the deco b70 Bernette. And in the top, you're going to find the software codes for the Bernette Toolbox. It's a software program that you are going to load onto your computer. It also has the accessories, power cord, and it's going to have 3 different hoop sizes, and you'll see they'll also have a grid in. And the largest hoop size that this machine can do is just a little over 6 inch by 10 inch. Alright, these are the accessories that come with a Bernette deco b70. It has a soft cover. It has 3 different hoop sizes, the small, medium, and large. The large being just over 6 inches by 10 inches. You have your power cord, and you will not have a complete instruction book, but you do have a quick reference guide. And if you take a look on the back, it's going to tell you where to go to download a manual, or at least look on your computer, and it also has a QR code as well. You also have different accessories. Now let's take a look to see what those do. So when you open these up, you have a pack of needles that you want to work with for when you're doing embroidery. You are also going to have 3 bobbins. You'll have assorted sizes of spool caps for depending on the size embroidery thread you're working with. You have an extra spool pin. You are also going to have a seam ripper that gives you a brush on the end. You have oil. You have a pad for your thread to sit on, screwdriver, and you have your regular embroidery foot that will not hop. And then on the machine itself, you have the hopping embroidery foot, and then you have a thread net. 2 things to remember that you will not have with this machine. You will not have a foot control, nor will you have an accessory box that goes around the arm of the machine.